What's up everybody, it's Kitty Clown here, and today we're talking about blowing up your YouTube channel. I'm talking about hitting those subscriber counts that'll make your head spin. And how are we going to do that? With SEO, baby. Yeah, that's right. Search engine optimization. It's the secret sauce that'll get your videos seen by millions. We're going over 10 game-changing SEO hacks that are going to transform your channel from zero to hero. Let's do this. Alright, first up, we gotta talk about titles. Titles are the gateway to your content. They are the first impression, the initial hook that can either reel viewers in or let them scroll past without a second thought. Your title is the first thing people see, and let me tell you, first impressions matter. A compelling title can make all the difference between a video that gets watched and one that gets ignored. You gotta grab people's attention and make them need to click. Think of your title as a mini billboard. It should be eye-catching, intriguing, and give a hint of the value your video provides. And how do we do that? With numbers, my friends. People love lists. Numbers give a sense of structure and promise specific, digestible content. Think about it. 5 ways to make your videos pop. It's clear, concise, and tells the viewer exactly what to expect. 10 secrets to YouTube success. Titles like these promise valuable insights and tips, making them irresistible to click on. Don't forget to add some juicy keywords related to your video too. Keywords help your video get discovered in search results and can significantly boost your visibility. Remember, your title is your first and best chance to hook viewers. Make it count. Crafting a click-worthy title is an art and a science. It requires creativity, strategy, and a deep understanding of what your audience is looking for. So take your time, experiment with different approaches, and always keep your audience in mind. Okay, so you got them to click on your awesome title. Now what? The next step is crucial. You need to keep their attention and make them want to stay. This is where your video description comes into play. You gotta reel them in with a killer description. Think of it as your elevator pitch. It's your chance to tell viewers why they should stick around and watch the entire video. First things first, front load that description with your target keywords. This helps with SEO and makes your video more discoverable. But remember, it's not just about the algorithms. Don't just stuff keywords in there. Make it sound natural, like you're having a casual chat with a friend. Your description should be engaging and informative, giving viewers a taste of what's to come. Tell people exactly what you want them to do. Like this video, smash that subscribe button, drop a comment. Clear calls to action can significantly boost engagement. And hey, why not drop some links to your other amazing videos? This not only keeps viewers on your channel longer, but also increases the chances of them subscribing. Keep those viewers hooked on your channel. The more they watch, the more likely they are to become loyal subscribers. So make every word count and keep them coming back for more. Alright, let's talk engagement. We want your videos to be the life of the party. So how do we make that happen? It's simple, ask. Don't be afraid to ask your viewers to like, comment, subscribe, and share your videos. Take it to the next level by asking engaging questions in your videos. Remember, building a community is key to YouTube success. Now let's talk subscriptions. Those little red buttons are the holy grail of YouTube, the key to building a loyal fan base. Don't be afraid to straight up ask viewers to subscribe to your channel. Make it enticing. Tell them exactly what they'll get out of it. And hey, why not sweeten the deal with some exclusive perks for subscribers? Get creative and give people a reason to hit that subscribe button. Alright, let's talk tags, those little snippets of text that tell YouTube what your video is all about. Tags are crucial because they help the algorithm understand the content and context of your video, making it easier for viewers to discover your content. You want to use a mix of broad and niche keywords to attract a wider audience. Broad keywords help you reach a large number of people, while niche keywords target specific interests, ensuring that your video reaches the right audience. For example, if your video is about making the perfect slime, you might use broad tags like DIY, crafts, slime, and niche tags like fluffy slime recipe. This combination helps you cover all bases from general interest to specific searches. Tools like Google Trends and TubeBuddy can be your best friends here. Google Trends helps you identify trending topics and popular search terms, while TubeBuddy offers insights into the best tags to use based on your video's content and competition. Remember, the more relevant and targeted your tags are, the easier it'll be for people to find your awesome content. Consistently updating and refining your tags based on performance analytics can also help improve your video's visibility over time. So, take the time to research and choose your tags wisely, and watch your audience grow. You've got them hooked on your video, they're loving your content, but what happens when the video ends? Do you just let them drift away into the vast abyss of YouTube? No way. Use end screens to promote your other videos, playlists, or even your social media channels. And don't forget about cards. Use them strategically to guide viewers to even more of your awesome content. Playlists, the ultimate YouTube binge-watching tool. Let's be real, who doesn't love a good YouTube binge? Playlists are a great way to keep viewers engaged and watching your content for longer periods of time. Organize your videos into themed playlists like Best Pranks, Funniest Challenges, or Ultimate Gaming Tutorials. And don't forget to mention your playlists in your videos. It's a simple but effective way to boost those watch times and keep viewers hooked on your channel. Alright, let's face it, we live in a mobile-first world. People are watching videos on their phones more than ever, so you gotta make sure your content is optimized for those tiny screens. Keep your titles short and sweet. Use clear, eye-catching visuals that will pop on a small screen. Remember, in the mobile world, it's all about grabbing attention quickly and effectively. They say two heads are better than one, and when it comes to YouTube, that's definitely true. Collaborating with other creators is one of the best ways to grow your channel. Team up with other creators in your niche and create awesome videos together. Remember, networking is key in the YouTube world, so don't be afraid to reach out and make some friends. Alright, let's be real, your thumbnail is like the cover of your book. It's the first thing people see, and it can make or break whether someone decides to click on your video. Use high-quality images that are relevant to your video's content. Use bright, bold colors that will pop on the screen, especially on those smaller mobile devices. Remember, your thumbnail is your chance to make a killer first impression, so make it count. And there you have it, folks. 10 game-changing SEO hacks that will take your YouTube channel from 0 to 100 real quick. By optimizing your videos for search, you're giving them the best possible chance to be seen by millions of viewers worldwide. So what are you waiting for? Go out there, put these tips into action, and watch your channel soar to new heights. I'm Kitty Clown, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.